Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, August 10th, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Facebook that is going to award $800,000 to make the internet more secure. After looking and, of course, checking out the Black Hat conference where, lots of security flaws are always discovered, lots of things are happening, and shows us that, we're living in a dangerous digital world, actually. By giving $800,000, Facebook hopes to have more secure cryptography, malware removal, and just improve every aspect of being online to make it more secure. Apparently, another $200,000 will be added soon to continue in this effort. Well, after an outrage over 3D printed guns, Facebook is now banning any blueprint from appearing on the social media site, and any websites that will actually host such information will also be removed. So this goes with the really recent backlash over the fact that you can print guns with 3D printers, and that has a lot of people worried, and I think we should be worried. Well, sextortion is a type of scam that's still going on. We talked about a couple of weeks back a phenomena that's happening right now with users getting emails that try to blackmail them by giving them a password that they've used in the past. And apparently some people are falling for this because it seems that over $30,000 have been sent to the bad guys. Now, the problem is the people are a little ignorant because, honestly, when you look at the passwords, and analysts have looked at passwords from this email, they're all passwords that were used more than 10 years ago on some websites, and that have simply leaked at the time. So, it just shows you that some of them are probably not really, changing their passwords ever, and some of them are just not aware that this is very old information. And of course, they try to blackmail you by saying that you went to this or that, porn website or whatever, and did this or that, and that you got to pay unless you want everybody to know about what's happening. Sony is about to launch a special edition PlayStation 4. There will be 50,000 limited edition PS4 Pros that will be available, and that's to celebrate the 500 millionth PS4 sold, as the console is the big winner and pretty much outsold everything else. So 500 million consoles. Now, this is amazing when you think about it, and just crazy that the PlayStation is such a popular device. Well, Palm, we haven't heard from them in a long time. I still remember having the Palm TX as my last little digital assistant before smartphones became much more interesting. It's about to release a new device, but the problem is it's first of all very underpowered, has a very small 3-inch screen, and even though it will run Android 8.1, kind of lets us think that this is very little and very late, and that it's kind of difficult to see that this will ever sell, really. Fortnite is now a Samsung exclusive, but you know what, just for a few hours, because lots of devices are already getting it, and in the next few days, pretty much every device that's available that will be powerful enough to run Fortnite Battle Royale will be, of course, getting it if you want to have it. And basically, it just starts with the launch yesterday of the Galaxy Note 9, and the reveal that the Galaxy S7, S8, and S9 phones also can have a special download of the beta version of Battle Royale right now. So, of course, this is creating a stir, but this is available. If you have a Intel graphics chip in your device, in your PC, your laptop, you might want to get the latest update. Not because it just fixes graphics problems, because it does apparently improve performance. It adds also a fix to have some of the games that might not work well, but it also has many security updates. And so you might want to take a look if you have an Intel chip and if it has an update available, because apparently some bad guys are already exploiting the security flaws of the graphics driver. Well, bad news. You know, Black Hat is that place where you find tons of things that might be scary. Well, the Black Hat conference shows that a pacemaker made by Medtronic is so easily hackable that you can kill someone by, doing what you want, sending electric shocks to the heart. Just basically, you can kill someone using a hack. And even though it was demonstrated that it does work, it still is, according to the company Medtronic, really not a problem. Well, I beg to differ. I think that is a huge problem. Also, the Black Hat conference demonstrated that Mac computers used for business can actually get a hack and modify some of the basic information without you noticing it the first time it connects to Wi-Fi. Apparently, it has a security flaw that can be hackable, easily hackable, and making the computer a security hazard for business. So, hopefully there will be an update at some point with this. And finally, if you have followed the Nintendo crackdown on Emu Paradise, basically it has, of course, succeeded in having Emu Paradise remove all of its ROMs, and it's met with a huge angry crowd that just wants to say enough is enough. These are old retro games, and come on, why not let us have these to just play on our devices, or any way you want to play it. You can even play it on the PC with a Nintendo emulator, and I don't know. It's I think sometimes it's getting a little out of hand here. And this was a Tech News Update for Friday, August the 10th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.